you don't run into too many sculptures that are smack dab in the middle of the street that traffic has to drive around out there in our country, and it's unique. My name's Keith Lachowicz. I'm the public art consultant working on the Elk project for the Regional Arts and Culture Council. The Regional Arts and Culture Council provides art services for artists in the larger metro area of Portland, and also has the responsibility of maintaining the City of Portland's public art collection. It's the second oldest public art sculpture in Portland, spearheaded by former Mayor Thompson, to be a fountain and a sculpture that watered animals that came into downtown, because there wasn't a great source of water if you got any distance away from the river. When people ask what RAC does or what my job is, I'd say, I work on public art. And they're like, oh, public art, I don't know anything about that. I'm like, well, do you know about the elk in the middle of Main Street? Oh yeah, no, I know that. I think it's going to be generally seen as a real accomplishment to have the will across a lot of different jurisdictions, agencies, bureaus, and public art teams to bring the fountain back and to put the elk back up on it. I think it's a pretty amazing piece of public art.